Ever woken up with puffy eyes, swollen hands, or heavy legs? That uncomfortable bloat isn't just fat, it's often water retention. Most solutions are temporary, but today I'm revealing 5 powerful fruits and herbs to naturally flush out that excess fluid for good. Water retention, or edema, is your body holding onto excess fluid, often from salt, hormones, or inactivity. But don't worry, nature offers incredible solutions. Let's dive into the top 5 natural diuretics you need to know. First, the ultimate hydrator, watermelon. Over 90% water, it's a natural diuretic powerhouse actively flushing out fluid. Plus, its potassium content perfectly balances sodium, banishing bloat fast. Tip: enjoy fresh, especially in the morning. Next, the ancient secret, dandelion. This potent herb is a diuretic superstar, dramatically increasing urine production to detox and eliminate swelling. Trusted for centuries, it's your go-to for battling bloat. Tip: sip dandelion tea daily for best effect. Third, the tropical wonder, pineapple. Packed with bromelain, a powerful enzyme that actively reduces inflammation and flushes fluid. It's also a digestive champion, directly combating bloating. Tip: always go fresh for maximum benefit. Fourth, the unassuming hero, parsley. Don't let its size fool you, this herb is a diuretic powerhouse. It supercharges your kidneys to vigorously flush out water and toxins. Incredibly versatile, simply chop it into meals or brew a cleansing tea. Tip: boil fresh parsley for a potent detox tea. Finally, the potassium king, banana. It's your secret weapon against sodium-induced water retention. This fruit rapidly helps your body eliminate excess salt, preventing bloat and even muscle cramps. Tip: 1 banana daily keeps fluid levels perfectly balanced. Crucial reminder: if swelling is severe, sudden or painful, do not ignore it. This could signal a serious medical condition. Always consult a doctor if you have concerns. There you have it, your top 5 natural powerhouses to powerfully flush excess water and conquer bloat. If you're ready to feel lighter, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more transformative health insights. Now tell me, which of these amazing remedies will you try first?